Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. We are going to do the first run of the Kyosho Outlaw Rampage Pro, ready to run, ready set. Boy, this thing has too many names. Why couldn't it just be Rampage Pro or Outlaw Pro? But no, it's Outlaw Rampage Pro in gold. YouTube gold, it's back. Not really, but gold RCs are back. Let's go see how this thing runs. And we're also going to compare the ready to run handling versus the TankRC Pro kit handling. So this is the same exact truck, but this one has all the metal upgrades. It also has rear sway bar on the axle, and it has slightly different power system because this one you put in your own motor and ESC of your choosing. Although they will be fairly close.
Front sway bars,
titanium nitride shock shafts as well. The shocks are significantly nicer. You get front sway bar, yeah, you get a front sway bar, you get a rear sway bar, you get the metal skids, all the metal stuff. Mine's plastic fantastic, but we're gonna get to see what the difference is. We'll compare them. Anyway, that's the plan. Let's get out there, have some fun with RCs. This thing has never been driven before. 1, 2, 3, go. So one thing about these Kyosho Outlaw Rampages is the noise they make. They make a heck of a squeal, but they look really nice.
mine stayed straight.
Top speed, 2S LiPo. There's no stability control, it's just me steering. Oh yeah, she starts to sway and she gets out from under you.
I think them new shocks we put on there ought to help us out a whole lot.
Well, that's good, because if she gets to swaying, she'll go out from under you.
Well, you weld the door shut on a racing car for safety's sake.
How do you get in?
Climb through the windows.
That's why mine went straight. I got
Definitely is. Look at how much more rear sway I have, and I go full counter steer, and it won't really react to full counter. Oh, first half roll over. So we're gonna go around in a race around this little triangle area and see who wins.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
I cut the corner. There it goes. 2 seconds
I'm
out.
all over the place. I'm just all over the place.
Watch for the people.
Oh, spin out. There's a big spin out. Oh, yeah, I can't keep the power straight. Huh. How many laps are you doing? You clearly have won. You're a whole half a grid ahead. Tank is also cheating with active vehicle control.
No, I'm not. Oh, I just hit the cone.
Oh, disqualification.
3 laps. Kyosho wins.
Way more stable on grass. Give it a little bit of more grippy surface, and you can go full power on the grass for sure. Cool.
Hey.
Yeah, that's hard to control. I can go full power on the grass, just not the loose gravel. They're the exact same speed.
Yeah, it's pretty much the same
They're
speed.
pretty much the exact same speed. So it's all the handling difference, which yours handles way better. But on a grippy surface, it seems fine. You just get it on that really loose pebbly stuff, and then I can't hold it. Oh, I got a big stick. Got a big stick caught in my cage. The steering servo is pretty quick, actually, being ready to run. This is a lot of full throttle use. I'm glad I put the 7,000 in. Oh, that does not sound good. Uh-oh, what's that noise? Sand. This is why I hate running in sand. This is a great way to ruin all your new bearings immediately. I'm sure the gearbox is just right full of sand already. Oh, now yours is doing it. There you go. Now you've got the tick of death. The sandy tick of death. Alrighty guys, first run out, I have stripped out my transmission a bit because on load, yeah, on load it doesn't want to go. So either the pinion came off or the gearbox got stripped out from running in the sand, I'm not sure. But that's going to end the ready to run Kyosho Outlaw Rampage first run prematurely. The Pro kit is still running strong. It did also start to get a little bit of ticking noise, but it went away, so we'll see. Anyway, I'll have to open up that rear motor on axle transmission assembly and see what went wrong in there. But alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching. More Kyosho coming to the channel soon because we have a local hobby shop now that sells Kyosho, authorized Kyosho retailer 110 Hobbies.